For incline bicep curls, then you need a little bit of kit. So a couple of dumbbells and ideally an incline bench, but if you're working out from home, you might not have that. So then you can improvise and use what you got. Now I'm going to use a stool. I'll show you how to set up for this, and you can let your imagination fly. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to get your chest onto the stool, like so, and then you're going to have your arms free to do the bicep curls. So the movement is like so, very simple movement, but in this position you're getting a pre-stretch on the bicep. So it's actually a little bit more, it's a different range of motion than you would use on a regular bicep curl, and helps to lengthen the tissue of the biceps. So very simple, nice and slowly on the way down, and a couple of second count on the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your incline bicep curl.